Scene 1 Introduction. Inviting a caregiver into your home is not just about receiving assistance, it is about trust. Caregivers work closely with seniors in the most personal spaces of daily life, supporting health needs, routines, and emotional well-being. At Life Circle, we recognize the responsibility families place in us. That is why every caregiver deployed through Life Circle undergoes a rigorous, multi-layered background verification process designed to ensure safety, reliability, and complete peace of mind for families. Caregiver background verification is not a formality at Life Circle. It is the foundation of safe home care. Families need the confidence that their loved ones are supported by individuals who are honest, dependable, and professionally suitable. Thorough verification helps prevent risks such as fraud, misconduct, or identity misuse, while also maintaining Life Circle's strict professional and ethical standards. This process allows families to focus on recovery and well-being without worrying about safety inside their own homes. The verification process begins with identity authentication. Life Circle validates each caregiver's Aadhaar details to ensure the identity is genuine and unique. This is followed by financial verification, where the caregiver's bank account is cross-checked with Aadhaar records. This step ensures transparent salary transfers, prevents identity fraud, and creates a secure financial trail, reinforcing accountability from the very beginning. To further ensure safety, Life Circle conducts legal and criminal background checks to identify any past or pending cases. Caregivers are required to provide police verification, either through a police character certificate or through Life Circle's empaneled verification partners, depending on location. In addition, family and personal references are verified to confirm character, background, and reliability. Reference contact details are authenticated, adding another layer of trust to the selection process. Every caregiver is personally interviewed by a senior Life Circle team member before onboarding. These interviews assess communication skills, attitude, understanding of caregiving responsibilities, and alignment with Life Circle's values and code of conduct. Verification does not stop after deployment. Nurse supervisors conduct regular home visits, digital attendance is tracked through the Life Circle app, and families can share feedback at any time. If concerns arise, Life Circle ensures swift resolution, including caregiver replacement within 24-48 hours when required. Here's what Shalini from Noida and Sunil M from Pune say about Life Circle's commitment to safety. To learn more, visit lifecircle.in, call 079713674041, or download the Life Circle app. Please like and subscribe for more elder care videos.